My shed door, it hits right over here. I have a pretty good gap over here, 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch. So this board kind of goes up like this. What I'm going to do is, instead of cutting off the door, I'm actually going to take a chisel and remove some of that wood on that 2x4 so it's up over there. You can see where the door is mainly hitting is right here. What I'm going to do is take a 1-inch wood chisel about every 1/4 inch and line in there, and then take the chisel. I like to use it this bevel side towards where I'm removing. I do it this way, it can tend to dig in the flat side and dig into the wood and go in too deep of what I want. So I'm going to put that bevel side up. And just remove that wood very carefully. So I'll work along there, I'll be back and see how it looks. The reason I use a chisel this way and make cuts is so when I go this way, it's more controlled. I'm not going to take out as much wood at a time, I'm just going to take out small sections, rather than if I don't do it this way, and it gets in, and depending on the grain goes, I could take a big chunk of wood out that I don't want to take out. So I'm going to keep removing some more here and then test and see how the door fits. I'll also come in this way, kind of going across the grain, the better control rather than going with it. If you catch a big chunk, come out. This just takes out smaller amounts generally at a time, and then I have the bevel on the top so that it doesn't gouge in generally. I'll try and keep this relatively straight as much as I can. Just looks better. I have a knot. There's a knot right here which opens a whole different can of worms, because there the grain is going every direction. It's every place. So knots are not fun, and that's where a tree branch was, and they're just hard to deal with. But I'll keep working on this. Let's see how this looks. There we go. Not hitting at all. I didn't go down crazy. I just got enough. I removed enough wood so that the door will shut. You just never know what's going to change, and keep that gap tight as I can have it. So pretty easy fix. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.